In iOS latest version, I'll show you how you can easily add the screen recording control to your control center. First of all, open your control center, and now to edit or customize your control center, hard press on a blank space. And now just tap on add a control, and here tap on the search controls box and type here screen recording, and here you will find the screen recording control. Just tap on that and the screen recording will be added in your control. As you can see, now you can simply drag the screen recording to change its position, and that's it. This is how we can add screen recording in our control center. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.